Today we're going to be changing out the shifter bezel in our 1970 Mercury Cougar. We're just going to replace the rubber part that goes between the shifter. For that, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and Phillips head screwdriver and an Allen wrench. This piece actually separates right here where you can see. So this top part comes off. We don't have to take the whole center console out. Right now it just has two screws that are Phillips heads and then two pins that when we take this out, we'll pull it up and get it out. Let's get started here. There's the light bulb that goes in there, and we'll probably replace that. So now we have our console off. To get this off, we have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will take those out. And also to get the shifter handle off, we'll use this Allen wrench. We'll use an Allen wrench to get that out right there. Alright, here we go. So, and that is a 1/4 wrench. There we go, just like that. So I noticed the color of our rug is green because the original interior was green. So apparently when they restored this, they turned the color from green to black. Just a little bit of history we just uncovered. How about that? Alright, so now we should be able to just lift this right off, take it right off. And then we're going to go inside and we're going to take this little pin off here and this little pin off here, put our new gasket in. Do a little microsurgery on this right here. Just get a flathead screwdriver. And we have 2 new clips that we're going to put in, so I don't care if I destroy these. I'm just going to pry it out from underneath here. There we go. Look at that, just came right off. Alright, I'm going to get a wet wipe and clean this up a little bit. Cleaning wipes, and it's really doing a good job of getting all this old rubber off. And you want a clean surface when you put the new gasket on and clips, so just take some time and clean this up. If yours is as bad as ours, and I suggest using those arm rolls. All right, so we just put a little bit of lubricant on here so that when the shifter gets in there, it'll slide a lot easier and it won't stick to this and rip this. So that was the point of putting a little bit of lubricant on there. And now we're just going to put it on like that. It fits right in. And I have 2 more brand new clips that came with the part. There we go. Okay, I'm thinking now. Look at that. Push that up. do it. We got our shifter back on. We're just gonna tighten this up. And then we're gonna put our center console back in, or reverse. We want to go in reverse. So, hook our light bulb back up. Okay. Alright, got that in. And that's how you change the rubber gasket between your shifter on your 1970 Mercury Cougar. This will also work for Mustang, probably anywhere from 64.5 all the way up to 70 on your Ford Mustang or Mercury Cougar. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.